Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the Fizzy Pop stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, the half double crochet stitch, the double crochet stitch, and the half double crochet V-stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 4 plus 3. I have already made 23 chains on my hook. To start row 1, we're going to make a single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet all into the second chain from our hook. There's that single crochet, half double in that same chain, and then double crochet all into that same chain. Now we're going to skip 3 chains and we're going to be making the same thing into the next chain. So we're skipping 3 into this next one, making a single crochet, half double, and double all into the same chain. Skip 3 chains, single crochet, half double, and double all into the same chain. You're now going to repeat this sequence of skipping 3 chains and making a single crochet, half double, and double into the next chain together until you reach the end of this row. At the end of this row, when you only have 1 chain left, make 1 single crochet into that last chain to complete row 1. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 3 chains. Into the first stitch of this row, make a half double crochet. Now we're going to start our sequence. Make 1 chain to skip 2 stitches. Into this next stitch, make a half double crochet V-stitch, which is a half double, chain 1, half double into the same stitch together. Make a chain, skip 2 stitches into this next one, half double, chain 1, half double, chain 1, skip 2 stitches, half double crochet V into the next one, chain 1, skip 2 stitches, half double crochet V into the next one, chain 1, skip 2 stitches, half double crochet V into the next one, chain 1, skip to the last stitch of the row and make a half double crochet V into that stitch to complete this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 1 chain. Row 3 is going to be very similar to row 1, where we made the stitches of single crochets, half doubles, and double crochets. We're going to be working them into each chain space across. So we're going to be completely ignoring the previous half double crochet V stitches. We're going to be working them into these spaces right here. So that's 1 single, half double, and double into that chain 1 space. You're going to skip over to the next chain space and make the same thing. Skip to the next chain space, single crochet, half double, and double crochet. Skip to the next chain space, single crochet, half double, and double crochet. Skip to the next chain space, single crochet, half double, and double crochet. Skip to the last chain space in this row, single crochet, half double, and double crochet. Then into the last stitch of this row, which is going to be these chains over here, you're going to make a single crochet into the top of those chains to complete this row. And that's how row 3 is looking. You would now alternate between rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the Fizzy Pop stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.